How to fix Instagram next story. Freezing problem. Are you having problems when you're trying to view multiple stories on Instagram? There seems to be a glitch in the app which causes the stories to freeze, so I'll show you 3 different solutions for this problem. Let's say I open a story from a friend or someone I follow, and the story freezes when I try to tap to view the next story. One of the solutions for this is to tap on the messages section and then simply tap anywhere on the screen to dismiss the message. This should unfreeze the story if you are having issues with your own stories and they're freezing. Then open the stories which you had posted. And let's say I tap, and it doesn't let me to view the other stories. I can swipe from the bottom to the top in order to view my Instagram followers, and then swipe from the right side to the left in order to change your stories. Another fix for this issue is to open your Google Play Store. If you're an Android user or if you're on iOS, just open the App Store and then check if Instagram has any new updates. If you have the update button, tap on it and then wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of Instagram is installed on your device. Open the settings page on your device, then locate this general section right here. After that, I'm going to open the iPhone storage option and then find Instagram from this list of apps. You'll then see 2 different options on this page, so tap on Offload App right here. And that will essentially clear the cache files and all of the unnecessary data which your app may have, and you'll then want to reinstall the app.